So the epoxy repair worked. The pedal's good, solid, and I tightened it. This is a little too tight. Almost went to the full tension, and you can see now it's pulling up thread. But it looks like it's pulling up equally for the most part. And this was, I went full speed, so the upper tensions, that might have been changing speeds also. That's pretty much like full speed. What was I doing? 12, 4, and yeah, it's looking pretty good. The prior setting, oh boy, I think it was on this one. Yeah, I ran down a second thread. It was sort of, I adjusted the tension to get a little higher. I don't know if it's maybe upside down. Maybe I went backwards. Let's see, no, it would have been starting there. Yeah, I think somewhere along the line I adjusted the tension to get a little tighter. Oh yeah, maybe down further. It started pulling a little tighter. And then I started with that, and it wasn't quite, actually I went up to like 6. And I thought that wasn't quite enough, needed a little more tension, but you can kind of tell the stitch length. I think I have to adjust accordingly based on that last stitch. That last was pretty close. Might be pulling up a little bit now on the right side. Could be the fabric and needle too, but it does almost look like it's that last. This is too high. Anyway, so the main objective is getting this, the 1813 stitching okay, and drop this on the floor. Getting some test stitch just to verify mainly my tension. So my thought is with a zigzag, I thought you'd go lower tension typically for those. So I'm almost wondering, this bobbin case I might need to loosen up a little bit so I get like a midpoint 5 or something, be, you know, tension, have room to go more or less as needed based on the range of stitch length and stitch width. But otherwise she's good to go. So I think confirmed that's basically just tension settings now, the 1813, and then, you know, fine tuning when I do stitch, which I don't know why I'd have such a wide 4 setting, but I still do suspect that this could be possibly a little wide, but I don't know. I'm thinking I think it's okay. It just is what it is. So yeah, left homing machine, and maybe she's not the best for doing the zigzags compared to the other ones. So anyways, be safe, stay healthy, and take care there. Bye for now.